Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to use Suno AI to turn your voice into song. So first you just need to go to suno.com. Now here you will find sign in and sign up option. If you have a account created already on Suno AI, then you can sign in through your account, or if you don't have any account, then you can sign up for a new account here. So here you will find a couple of ways that you can use to sign up for a new account on Suno AI. So I'm going to get Google. You can go with your Apple account, Discord, or Microsoft account. Now I'm going to choose my email address here. Now simply click on continue. Then here you can see it is that much simple to create a Suno AI account. Now from here you have to set up your account, like what genres are you into. Like I'm going to select this type of things, like yes, and yes. Now next, after that you have to create a username, and you have to set up our birthday. So I'm going to set up a birthday here. Now click on done button here. Here you can see I have just created or set up my account here. So you can just simply click on create button here to create a song with your voice. So click on create, and here you can see it is just now it is actually with the instruction, but if you want to create a custom voice or custom song with your voice, then you can just go to the custom. Now in this drop down you can select V4, V3, 3.5, V3 and V2. So this is actually the sound quality that you want. The first one is newest and with the best vocal quality and song structures, so maximum 4 minutes. So you can just go with this for V4. Then you can enter your own lyrics here, or you can select the style here. Now you can let me show you how you can just click on this plus button here, and you can click on add audio. So if you want to upload audio, then you can just add it to their terms, and here you can find the two types of option that you can upload audio from your files, or you can just record audio. So right now I'm going to record my audio. Like, you can just need to allow it. Hi there, I'm the helper of you, that how I can help you today, and something like this. I have just said something that are in my mind actually, so I have just talked a little bit. So you have to talk for a few seconds, like 20 seconds, then you can just simply click on this finish recording. Now here you can see it has just recorded my voice. So just like this. Now you can just click on this save without trimming. If you want to trim it, you can trim a little bit. I'm going to trim a little bit. Now save trim audio. Now here you can see it asking for the title. Like I'm going to title like a vocal 1, and yes, and it is uploading here. I have just created the title here. Now confirm and save. So here you can see the vocal here. So I have just added the vocal. Now you just need to add lyrics, a complete lyrics that you want, and a full song. You can add some prompt here that I want to create a heartbreaking song with heart-touching lyrics. Now I have just give the instruction. So let's see how here. Yes, it has just give me some two types of song here. So I'm going to select one from here. You can see I have just selected the lyrics here. You can just create a lyrics by a perfect prompt. I have just give this prompt for an example. You can give a perfect prompt and professionally, and you can give each and every details about that lyrics. Then you can just create a perfect lyrics for you. Then here is a style. You can add a style, like I'm going to add like a lo-fi. Yes, here it is. Now I can just easily create it, but after entering the style, you can just simply click on create button here, so it will start creating the song. It will give you two options here. Here you can see it has just give you two options, so you just need to wait until it loads. Now here you can see the second one is just loaded, so let listen to second one here. It's probably like my voice, but I don't think it's like my voice actually. So make sure that you enter a voice, for example your vocal, perfectly, that it can catch your vocal. So the AI might give you some other voice. It can make some mistakes. So actually this is like a female voice actually. Sorry for that. AI has catch the voice actually a female voice, so it's not my mistake probably. So you can just enter a clear, crystal clear voice to get an exact voice like you. So that's how you can just simply create it. Hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and thanks for watching. Till next time.